Hello, this is Dr. DeSalvo with some helpful tips for FE3. This assignment is really focused on developing your teacher's toolkit. And so you're thinking about students who you would see in your classroom, looking at their needs, some relationships that you would have with them, establishing some routines, kind of some grounding, as well as some bell ringer activities. So as you think about this, it's really important to think about what is the content area that I'm teaching and thinking about those needs of all of the students in your classroom. As you think about this, you want to think about how can I meet all of the needs, thinking about specific applications and examples from the reading that you've read, but also like what is this going to look like in your classroom as you're about to teach. So think about, am I teaching social studies? Am I teaching math? Am I teaching special education? What is my content area? Be very explicit in stating that. And then think about, when I walk into a classroom, how is this
As you
going
think
to
about
look
your
like
content area,
when
you've got
I
to
am
think
the
about
teacher? How can I address the different needs in the classroom? So these are kind of the core areas you must cover. Again, being explicit about your content area and thinking about all of the different needs you might encounter in your classroom. This is an example of how a teacher incorporated their 10th grade honors level criminal justice class into their essay. Again, very explicit. And then another teacher had really talked about their middle school ELA classroom. Again, very explicit in what they would do within their classroom. When you work on your digital interview questions, again, you're focused on student needs. This is a sample of what a teacher submitted to as part of this assignment. So again, making sure that you just have 5 questions. It's something that you would develop. And then don't forget to give access to your professor. Many people forget to change the access level. As you look at the content knowledge, these are the key areas. And then as well as the presentation and format, key areas as well. Good luck. I have faith in all of you. You'll do a great job.